Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Realme 16 Pro 5G. So first, you guys want to check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So we got the side buttons on the right side, as you guys noticed already. But we're going to check the call volume while being in an active call. So you guys can go here, and here you guys can also increase it. These are a couple of ways. As you guys can see, whenever you go into these settings and you go down to sound and vibration, you cannot change it right here, but you can change it in the phone app and while being on a call. Next, what you guys want to do is make sure that you disable Bluetooth. So make sure that this switch is gray and there's nothing in the Bluetooth section. We don't want our audio to be rerouted to any other device, and we want to rule out the connected devices. Next, what we want to do is we have a little bit of a cutout here. We all know that there's a speaker here. This is called an earpiece, and we want to clean our earpiece with a soft brush. Maybe it's stuck with dirt, debris, lint, or anything else, and it just needs some cleaning in order for it to unblock the audio. Next, what you guys want to do is test another call using either the phone app or try using a different app, like for an example WhatsApp, Snapchat, basically everything or anything that supports the call system. Next, what you guys want to do is restart the smartphone. So you just hold the power button and the volume up button until you see this menu pop up. Now swipe up to restart, and now the device is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what we want to do as a last resort is go over into the settings and scroll a bit down until you guys see system and update. Here, what you guys want to do is go over to backup and reset and go to reset phone. Now here you guys don't want to reset your entire phone. We want to only reset the network and Bluetooth settings. So there's no other way. You need to reset the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, so you'll lose all your saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, but you will also reset your mobile network, so everything will be reset and then everything should be fixed. So that's it for the video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.